They have dramatically changed the game, you guys. Us smaller creators are on top. It's time for us to win. Oh my gosh, what's up, you guys, man? You guys will not believe this. YouTube has lowered their requirements. Man, I've been waiting for this for so long, but I'm trying to think about it if it's really a good thing or a bad thing. Basically, what YouTube has done is they've cut the requirements in half. 4,000 watch hours went to 3,000 watch hours. 1,000 subscribers went to 500 subscribers. 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days has went down to 3 million shorts views in the past 90 days. So we have to look at this as, is this beneficial or is it gonna hurt us? You know what I mean? So I'm looking at it right here, and what it says is YouTube has lowered the requirements to start getting paid for their YouTube partner program. YPP. You guys may have heard it say YPP. You guys may have heard it say YouTube Partner Program. 500 subscribers when it used to be 1,000. 3 uploads in the past 90 days. 3,000 watch hours when it used to be 4,000. 3 million shorts views when it used to be 10 million. So you guys, this is huge for us smaller creators. Me, myself, I don't yet to have 1,000 subscribers. I started this year of my YouTube channel. And for all you guys who don't know me, I do tech videos, anything that has to do with a camera, photography, videography, cinematography, film, anything that has to do with a camera. Go ahead and subscribe to that boy. But for the bigger creators, what does this mean? Possibly we could see some drawbacks in other areas. Maybe we'll see some drawbacks in payment. That's the only thing I could think about as this being a bad thing, because if they went down half for the subscribers, that means more people are going to be let into the field to get paid. Does that mean that YouTube's going to give out more money, or does that mean YouTube's going to give out less money? So this could really go two ways. This could help or hurt creators. It may make creators have to make more money, or maybe make creators be able to only make less money. So what it says here is, people have asked, why did YouTube change the monetization requirements? So it says over the last few years, YouTube has taken steps to strengthen their requirements for monetization so that spammers, impersonators, and other bad actors cannot hurt the ecosystem or take advantage of good creators that are producing high quality content. So they're making this seem as in the sense as they're trying to incentivize the creators that are making good quality content but are not getting incentivized right now. So for example, me myself, I make well over 5 pieces of content a week. So I'm not monetized in no way, shape, or form. So I'm just doing it off the heart, you know what I mean? So for everyone who's doing that, they may look at it like, okay, these people are grinding, they're knocking out videos, they're doing all of this and all of that, and they still aren't getting any incentives from this. Okay, so let's see how big that population of people is. They probably have seen this population of people is so large that they just have to cater to us in some way, shape, or form. There are so many small creators out there that are trying to make it in the YouTube industry and are not able because they're not monetized yet. So I don't know if this is going to make the monetized checks go down or make the monetized checks go up, because as of right now, a lot of different channels in different categories get paid different amounts per 1,000 views, which if a lot of you guys don't know, this is how YouTube monetization works. So for every 1,000 views, you get paid a certain amount. I think the highest right now is $16 per 1,000 views, but I could be mistaken. It could be actually higher than that. So imagine $16 per 1,000 views for like a finance channel, and you get 10,000 views is $160. But now imagine you get 20,000 views, 30,000 views, 100,000 views. It duplicates very fast, and that's only on one video. Now imagine you creating multiple videos. So I really just hope that this stays the staple and it does not go down. But this is the update for as of today, June 13th, 2023. This is the update, you guys. YouTube has changed the game dramatically. They have dramatically changed the game, you guys. Us smaller creators are on top. It's time for us to win. Get in your bag. Go get in your bag. Go get in your bag. If you guys like this video, you guys want to see more YouTube update type videos, more how to grow your YouTube channel type videos, let me know down in the comments. Leave a like and let's get it, man. Join the family. Subscribe. I love you guys, and I'm out.